Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file annual sales tax return. First, identify your state's specific sales, tax regulations, and deadlines. Next, gather all your sales data, including both taxable and non-taxable transactions. This preparation ensures you have accurate figures for your return. Knowing your total taxable sales is crucial for calculating the correct amount due. This simple method helps streamline the entire process for you. Once your sales data is organized, calculate the total sales tax you collected from customers. Remember to account for any sales tax that was exempt or non-taxable. Next, apply any deductions or credits you are eligible for, such as bad debt write-offs or vendor discounts. Double-check all your figures carefully to avoid errors. Accuracy here prevents potential penalties and ensures compliance. Now, locate your state's official sales tax return form, usually available on their Department of Revenue website. Carefully transfer your calculated taxable sales and the total tax due onto the form. Ensure every field is filled correctly according to the instructions. Take your time to review all the information you've entered. A thorough review helps catch any mistakes before you submit. Finally, submit your completed sales tax return. Most states offer convenient online submission, but mail options are usually available too. Ensure your payment reaches the state by the specified deadline to avoid any late fees or penalties. Keep copies of your submitted return and payment confirmation for your records. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This easy method helps you stay compliant and organized with your annual sales tax obligations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.